Imagine an animal so small it could sit comfortably in the palm of your hand. Now imagine that same tiny creature producing an underwater explosion so powerful that it creates a flash of light, a deafening snap, and a tiny bubble that briefly reaches temperatures comparable to the surface of the sun. Sounds like science fiction. But it's completely real. Meet the pistol shrimp, one of the most extraordinary hunters in the ocean. Despite being only a few inches long, this tiny crustacean has evolved one of the most powerful natural weapons on Earth. Today, we're diving into the incredible science behind this unbelievable creature. The pistol shrimp, also called the snapping shrimp, belongs to a family of over 600 different species found in tropical and temperate oceans around the world. Most are only 3 to 5 centimeters long. At first glance, they don't look dangerous at all. But if you look closely, you'll notice something unusual. One claw is much larger than the other. And that oversized claw isn't designed for pinching. It's designed to fire. Unlike crabs that use strength to crush prey, the pistol shrimp uses speed. When it spots a small fish, worm, or crab, it doesn't chase it. Instead, it opens its giant claw like a spring-loaded weapon. Then, in less than a millisecond, snap. The claw closes so quickly that it shoots out a jet of water traveling at incredible speed. This creates a phenomenon called cavitation. A tiny bubble forms in the water because of the sudden drop in pressure. For a brief moment, everything seems calm. Then the bubble violently collapses. That collapse creates a powerful shockwave capable of stunning, or even killing, small prey instantly. The prey is often knocked unconscious before the shrimp even reaches it. Now here's the fact that has fascinated scientists for decades. When the cavitation bubble collapses, the energy becomes concentrated into an incredibly tiny space. For an extremely short fraction of a second, the temperature inside that collapsing bubble can reach around 4,000 to 5,000 degrees Celsius, comparable to the surface of the sun. It even produces a tiny flash of light called sonoluminescence. The shrimp isn't actually as hot as the sun, and the surrounding water doesn't boil away. The intense heat exists only inside that microscopic collapsing bubble and lasts for an incredibly brief instant. Even so, it's one of the most amazing examples of physics in the natural world. The pistol shrimp's snap isn't just powerful. It's also incredibly loud. Some species produce sounds reaching over 200 decibels underwater, making them among the loudest marine animals relative to their size. In fact, colonies of snapping shrimp create so much noise that they can interfere with submarine sonar and underwater communication systems. During World War II, military crews sometimes noticed mysterious underwater noise. One surprising source: thousands of tiny shrimp snapping their claws at the same time. Not every pistol shrimp spends its life hunting alone. Some species form one of the most fascinating partnerships in nature. They live together with goby fish. The shrimp digs and maintains an underground burrow where both animals can hide from predators. The goby has excellent eyesight and acts like a lookout. The shrimp has poor vision, so it keeps one antenna touching the fish. If danger approaches, the goby flicks its tail. The shrimp instantly understands the warning, and both animals disappear safely into their burrow. The shrimp builds the home. The goby provides security. It's teamwork at its finest. Scientists aren't fascinated by the pistol shrimp simply because it's unusual. This tiny creature's claw demonstrates one of the most powerful examples of cavitation in the natural world. By studying how its bubbles form and collapse, researchers have unlocked clues that shape technologies, everything from ship propellers to advanced medical treatments. Nature often solves engineering problems long before humans do. And the pistol shrimp is living proof. Most think of sharks or killer whales as ocean's deadliest, but few suspect this thumb-sized shrimp hides one of nature's most potent weapons. With a single snap, it unleashes shockwaves, a flash of light, and heat rivaling the sun's surface, all to snatch its next meal. This proves that in nature, size isn't everything. Sometimes the smallest creatures bring the biggest surprises. If you could have one animal superpower, which would you choose?